Welcome to day 3 of workout 2.2. Today we're going to look at 2 workouts. We're going to start with a do-it workout and then we're going to do a puzzle. All right, so workout B here. So this time we've got 2 digits, subtract 2 digit. All right, so we might need to do a bit more thinking, a bit more careful here. We're not just using our known facts of single digits. So think about what you've done in school when you've subtracted 2 two-digit numbers. It might be that you draw the starting number out with your tens. So thinking about if I had 26, I might draw it like this to then take away from it. Or I might be starting on a number line, 26, and counting back. When you're taking away numbers with 9s in the ones column, maybe you've done some rounding up. So maybe you take away 20 and then add 1 when you're taking away 19. So if I had 26, take away 19, I might do 26, take away 20, and then add 1. So it's just thinking about what strategy is going to be most efficient for calculating here. Don't always just think about counting back. Do them as quickly as you can. Come back and mark them. We'll see how you've done. So here's the answers to workout B. Mark the ones you've done, see how you got on, and then we'll have a look at a puzzle. Okay, so workout F. This is a bit of a challenge. We've got a grid here, and we've got to move across or up or down and subtract the number you land on each time. Okay, so we're going to start down here with 100. We're going to move through the grid, not diagonally, so it's either up, across or down that we're moving, and we've got to subtract whatever we land on. Okay, so you might again want to do a jotting to keep track of this. You could maybe do it on a number line, think of starting with 100 and counting back, or I might just do it in a list. So if I was on 100 to start with, so I went start on this square, we've got no choice. The first we're going to land on is 12. So I'm going to take away 12. Can I do that in one jump? Or do I need to do it in 2? You might need to separate it and do take away 10, then take away 2. So then you think, right, from 12, I've now got a choice. I could either take away 19 next, or I could take away 16 next. The idea is that when I come to this square here and take away that final 10, I'll end up with 0. So your challenge is to try and find maybe a couple of routes through this grid where you end up with 0. When you've had a go at that, you might want to then try and create your own grid where there's a route through to go from 100 to 0. Off you go.